We got someone coming in Davidsfarm for a beer drop again. Sunday night, beer stores are closed. Oh, he wouldn't land there. Yep, he's dropped her. We're all set. Awesome. Cool. Daring paparazzi we got now. This guy just won't leave us alone. Maybe he wants to help drink the beer. They're coming into the bomb. Oh, he did a touchdown. He is going to help us drink the beer.
How the hell is he going to get back up?
That's what she said.
We should go and give them a ride back here if they want to. What are they doing? Wow. That's awesome. So cool.
Now they got space for a passenger. Who wants to be a passenger?
No, there's already two in there.
Well, that's what I mean when they get out.
Let's do it.
See when they get out. Then we can make more videos. Alright, go steal their beer.
We're gonna go get a plane and some beer.
Yep. Take no prisoners! Buick back in action. King of the farm. Alright, let's see what's going on.
Take the flyer for a little.
I said take no prisoners. Just take their beer. Now he's flying.
Here we are at Davidsfarm. There's Dave over there.
Awesome. Davidsfarm rocks.
You're about to get a copy view of us taking off out of this place.
Yep.
Good juniors do that.
Two-stroker. And they're off. Short and simple, just like he said, on the second bump. And there's how we fly high. You got it.